Hey everybody! In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix Throne and Liberty not launching or opening. Make sure to watch the video until the end to get the most out of it. So, to fix this, you can simply follow these 3 steps. Start your troubleshooting by verifying the Throne and Liberty game files. A verification scan will repair corrupted or missing game files, if there are any. To apply this possible solution, go through the steps on Steam's Verify Integrity page. Then, by simply disabling full screen optimization, you can easily run the Steam software and click Library inside its window. Next, right-click Throne and Liberty within the game sidebar to select Manage, then click on Disable Full Screen Optimizations to select the checkbox for that option. And last but not least, try starting Throne and Liberty with lower graphical settings via that software. It has been confirmed that starting Throne and Liberty with reduced graphical settings can kickstart the game, so that is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.